Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about J transform, which is asked in question GATE 2004. 2 odds onwards, GATE 2010. Okay, and it will be cover J transform. Now let's start the first question. Question is, a causal LTI system is described by the difference equation given 2yn is equal to alpha yn minus 2 minus 2xn plus beta xn minus 1. The system is stable only if we have to find out the condition of alpha and beta where it will be the stable or not. Okay, then our given the 2yn is equal to alpha y n minus 2 plus wait yeah, minus 2x n plus beta x n minus 1. Okay, so take the Z transform. 2y z is equal to alpha y z minus 2 because the 2 units is shifted, minus 2x z plus beta x z inverse. So here 2y z and here is yz also, or keep it, no problem. Alpha y yz z inverse minus plus xz, take common. Okay, then beta z inverse minus 2 and take it this side yz is equal to 2 minus alpha z inverse, and here is the xz beta z inverse minus 2. This one yz upon xz, then yz by xz beta z inverse minus 2 upon 2 minus alpha z inverse. Okay, here is the transfer function, and beta z minus inverse minus 2 is a numerator part. From here we are getting the zeros of transfer function. Okay, and here is the denominator, and we are getting the poles from the poles of transfer function. So let's see, in Z transform, if poles means region of convergence, a region of convergence is covering unit circle, it means your system is stable. Okay, so for any value of beta, there is no effect of instability. Okay, so for it will be the stable for any value of beta. So for alpha we have to check it. Okay, then for alpha we have to check it, how much we can take. So 2 minus alpha z inverse is equal to 0. So z inverse not, here should be z minus 2. Okay, here is the z minus 2. Okay, mistake is done. Z minus 2 and here is z minus 2. Okay, so then what will happen? Then we can say that 2z square minus alpha is equal to 0, and we can say that z is equal to root under alpha by 2, and mod z, it should be less than 1 for include the unity circle. Then after that mod z should be less than root under alpha is equal to alpha by 2 and less than 1. Then what will happen? mod alpha should be less than 2. For stability, mod alpha is less than 2 and beta any value. Okay, so option will be alpha less than 2, beta any value. Option C will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. The region of convergence of Z transform, the sequence is given 5 by 6 to power n un minus 6 by 5 and u minus n minus 1 must be. Check it. Sequence is given 5 by 6 to power n un minus 6 by 5 to power n u minus n minus 1. This one is the right-handed signal. For right-handed signals, region of convergence should be greater than 5 by 6. And this one is the left-handed signal. For this one, less than 6 by 5. So check it. Here will be mod z greater than 5 by 6 and less than 6 by 5. So overall, here is the common ROC is coming. That's why this one is the valid. If common ROC is not coming, let us consider for these signals maybe another mod z greater than R1 and mod z for another signal less than R2, and it is not suitable in common ROC is not coming. In that condition, Z transform is not valid. Okay, so here is the 5 by 6. Option C will be the right answer. Now next question. If the region of convergence of x1 plus x2n is given, okay, 1 by 3 to 2 by 3, then the region of convergence of minus. So region of conversion will be not change for addition and subtraction. Okay, in addition and there is no change in ROC. Okay, now comes to next question. The Z transform xz of sequence xn is given by xz is equal to 0.5 upon 1 minus 2 z inverse. It is gives the region of convergence of xz, include the unit circle. The value of x0 is, we have to find out the x0. Okay, this is asked in GATE 2007. Given that xz is equal to 0.5 upon 1 minus 2 z inverse is given. Okay, so ROC include the unity circle. So this ROC includes the unit circle. So see, if you are taking here 2 z inverse 2 minus z inverse less than 1, then what will happen? Mod z greater than 2 and system will be not stable. System will be not stable. So for this one is condition for right-handed signals. Okay, but when you are coming the left-handed signals, means you are taking the 2 z inverse greater than 1 for left-handed signals. It means mod z less than 2. It's coming on left-handed signals. In left-handed signal, what will happen? Inverse of this one, xn is equal to minus 0.5 upper part here and 2 to power n u minus n minus 1. Okay, so here check it. Your graph will be start from -1, -2 and -3, all these, and at xn n is equal to 0, it will be the 0 value. Okay, so xn and 0 is equal to 0. Option B will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. This one is the statement based question. Statement based question. Statement for linked answer question 5 and 6. The following network, the switch is closed at t equal to 0 and sampling start from t equal to 0. The sample frequency is 10 hertz. Question is the sample xn n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 are given by. So we have to find the sample. Okay, so first we find out the VRS. According to VRS is equal to 200 kilo ohm upon 200 kilo ohm plus, here we know that in any network capacitor resistance here R, then what will happen, R upon R plus 1 by CS transfer function. Okay, so then what will happen, 1 by CS. C, how much is given, C 10 microfarad, 10 microfarad, and S, CS, and here is the input, 5 volt is given, then unit step 5 by S. So here 200 into 10 to power 3 upon 200 into 10 to power 3 plus 1 upon 10 into 10 to power minus 6 into S into 5 by S. Okay, so overall transfer function will be 10 upon, after simplification we will get the 2s plus 1 is equal to 5 by s plus 0.5. Okay, then T will be, when you take the inverse, then you will get 5 e to minus 0.5 T. Therefore samples, when you take the x and sample, 5 minus e to power 5 minus 0.5 and upon 10. So 5 e to power minus 0.05 n will be the answer. So which one is the right answer? Option A will be, option B will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. The expression and region of convergence of Z transform of the sample sequence is. Here is the sample sequence we get. We got sample sequence x1 is equal to 5 e to the power minus 0.05 and okay, we got this one. Then we have to find out the xz. Xz is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity 5 e to minus 0.5 and z to the power minus n. Then it will be the 5 n is equal to 0 to infinity e to minus 0.05 and z minus 1 power n. And when you take the all the things, then region of convergence will be common ratio. So for xz we can find out the xz 5 multiplication of common ratio first term 1 upon 1 minus common ratio will be the e to minus 0.05 and z inverse. Okay, and ROC will be defined e to minus 0.05 z inverse mod less than 1, then mod z greater than e to minus 0.05. Okay, so right answer will be mod z greater than 0.05. So C will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. The ROC of J transform of discrete time sequence is something given. Xn is equal to 1 upon 3 to power n un minus 1.2 un minus 1. Where is the right signal? Means mod z greater than 1 by 3. Here is the left signal 1 by 2. So mod z greater than 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So option A will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. Consider the Z transform of sequence. The inverse Z transform of is given. Here is the given xz 5 z square plus 4 z inverse plus 3. Okay, then xn will be 5 del n plus 2 plus 4 del n minus 1 plus 3. Okay, so answer will be, because he has plus 2, it means the right side. Okay, then here right answer will be 8. Right answer will be option A, n plus 2 del n. Here is del n. Okay, and del n minus 1. Now comes to next question. Two discrete time system with impulse response h1 is given, h2 is given, are connected in cascade. The overall impulse response of the cascade is very simple. It is asked in GATE 2010 for 1 marks. Then h1 z will be z inverse, h2 z will be z minus 2. Okay, though after cascade z will be h1 z and h2 z, z minus 3. Z minus 3, it means the inverse when you take the h3 z del n minus 3. So option C will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. The transfer function of discrete LTI system is given by Hz is equal to 2 minus 3 by 4 Z inverse upon 1 minus 3 by 4 Z inverse plus 1 by 8 Z inverse. Consider the following statements. The system is stable and causal for ROC greater than mod 1 half. The system is stable but not causal. S1, S2, S3, we have to check it. Okay, so solution is given. A discrete LTI system is causal if only if ROC of the system function is exterior of circle including infinity. Okay, a discrete LTI system is stable if and only if ROC of its system function include the unit circle, means mod z is equal to 1, and ROC causal for causal exterior of a circle. Okay, so then let's check it. First, mod z is given. Mod z is given 2 by 2 minus 3 by 4 z inverse upon 1 minus 3 by 4 z inverse plus 1 by 8 z minus 2. So then we can simplify it. 1 minus 1 by 4 z inverse plus 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse. After that 1 minus 1 by 4 z inverse and 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse. Okay, or as z is equal to, we can simplify it, 1 by 1 minus 4 z inverse plus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse. ROC is mod z greater than half for system is stable. Okay, and for ROC mod z less than 1 by 4, system is not increasing, so not stable or in this condition. Okay, and mod z greater than 1 by 4 less than 1 by 2, not included the unity circle, so not stable. So check it condition S1, S2, S3. So see, S1, the system is stable for causal and causal for ROC mod z greater than 1 2. Stable is okay. The system is stable but not causal. Here is not stable, we have check it, and system is neither stable nor for here both S1 and S3 are true because S1 is true because here mod greater than 1 to 1, mod z greater than half will be the system is stable, and S3 the system is neither stable nor stable because half part is stable. For this one is stable, for this one not stable, so neither stable nor unstable. So option C will be the right answer. We find out from here, check it here, when you take the ROC for causal system, right hand signal, then less than means 1 by 4 z inverse should be less than 1, and here 1 by 2 z inverse less than 1. Then what will happen? Then it will be the mod z greater than half, and here mod z greater than 1 by 4. Okay, and when you take the mod 1 by 4, then it will be the stable, and 1 by 2 then 1 by, it will be the stable, but here condition is different given. According to that,